For Sunday, December 17th, 2023. Update concerning convective outlook day 1. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across coastal Carolinas. Late evening satellite imagery depicts a well-defined mid-level shortwave trough ejecting northeast toward the northern Florida peninsula. This feature is forecast to advance across the Carolinas later today. In response, a very strong low-level jet has developed which will nose into southern South Carolina later this morning. 850 millibar flow is forecast to increase in excess of 80 knots by early evening across eastern North Carolina into extreme southeast Virginia. Severe thunderstorms capable of damaging winds and some tornado potential will be the primary hazards. Be sure to subscribe for future severe weather outlooks.